Great. I think that we discussed everything that we need to write a hardware wallet. So we discussed how to generate the keys, how to derive individual keys from the master seed. Then we discussed how to display addresses and how to sign parse transactions. And in principle, I think that you can start by implementing either your own hardware wallet, and here is the repo that we were using. So the MicroPython port for this particular board, and also the bindings to lipsec P256K1, Bitcoin library, and other stuff. Also, consider contributing into the Specter project. This is the QR code-based airgapped hardware wallet. So it uses QR code scanner and the screen to communicate with the host. And this is the repo. Also, if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, definitely check out the Programming Bitcoin book by Jimmy Song. I went through his course back in the days, and it was really amazing. And then if you want to learn more about the fundamental crypto, then check out the Cryptography course by Dan Boneh on Coursera or on his website. It is like really in-depth cryptography class. In this video series, we only covered the basics, only just scratched the surface. So we plan to continue recording the videos where we will focus on some particular topics, for example, true random number generator, or how to secure your firmware, or a little bit more about the GUI programming, and maybe some details on the protocol. So subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we will get more videos soon online. Thanks a lot for watching this course. If you have any problems and you're stuck somewhere, please contact me on Telegram, on Twitter, however you want. I will put the contacts details in the description of the video. Yeah, it was fun, hopefully for you as well, and see you soon.